If no one has control over where they are born or their developmental environment, how would free will fit into the equation of life? Does anyone choose their parents at birth? When would free will emerge in one's development? Has science done a good enough job of understanding cause and effect? Is the technological revolution an indication of this? Has psychology, neuroscience, or biology shown us enough how brains, neurons, and emotions are influenced by the environment? Do we have control over what influences us? Or what about when we finally understand or learn something? Is there conscious control over light bulb or eureka moments? Are there reasons for why we make decisions? Are they grounded in cause and effect? If they aren't, wouldn't this imply the laws of the universe are being defied? With animal training, behavior patterns are linked to past experiences. Are humans an exception to this? Are we assuming the mechanism that allows us to make decisions isn't scientific? Is it magic? For example, why do people smoke? 'Cause they choose to. Why do they choose to? They just do, or 'cause they decided to. Can this ever be expanded upon? Is free will simply an emergent cognitive illusion? Do other species have it? Stay tuned.